Hi, my name is Urvin Kwatra and I am making this video to demonstrate my smart home IoT network in the Cisco Packet Tracer, and I will explain how the MQTT protocol is working across all the devices. So let's begin with the topology. So here you can see many IoT devices are connected through a single gateway, and a laptop is even connected over here. You can see fan, humidifier, garage door, temperature monitor, furnace, home speaker, AC, and window. So in the MQTT, we have basically three components, which are MQTT broker, MQTT subscriber, and MQTT publisher. So what happens is MQTT broker acts as an intermediate between the MQTT publisher and MQTT subscriber. So the MQTT subscribers are those which are subscribing to a particular topic. For example, if we consider the temperature monitor and the laptop, so over here the home gateway is our MQTT broker, which is acting as an intermediate. So the temperature is an MQTT publisher, which will subscribe to a particular topic, and it will send the temperature values to the broker. And what will happen is laptop is acting as an MQTT subscriber, which will subscribe to that particular topic that which the MQTT publisher is sending the values. So it will subscribe to that topic and it will receive those values. So this is the overall framework of how the MQTT server is working. And so so MQTT stands for the message queuing telemetry transport, and as I have already discussed that it uses publish subscribe model, and the home gateway is acting as a broker. And now I will show the proof that how all the communications goes through the broker and making it lightweight and scalable. So first of all, clicking on the home gateway, you can see the IPv4 address of the home gateway is 192.168.1.1. So when I open my laptop and and I click on IoT monitor, so now if I enter the IP address of the home gateway, which is acting as the MQTT broker, we will get the GUI interface and will understand how the MQTT is working. So here you can see the list of all the IoT devices connected with the MQTT broker, and the laptop is acting as a MQTT client, as an MQTT subscriber. So here you can see the light. So let me show here the light is glowing. So let us turn off this light and illustrate what is happening. So now you can see the light has been turned off, and how it has happened is the laptop has published the message to a particular topic. Now this time the laptop is acting as a publisher. It is publishing that particular message to the topic, and it is sent to the MQTT broker. And what is happening that the light, which is the IoT device, is subscribing to that particular topic and then receiving and acting as an MQTT client. So it receives that command, and hence it will operate itself accordingly. As the laptop has sent a off message to the light, and hence the light has been turned off. Similarly with the AC, temperature and furnace. Not with that, we have the home speaker, window, garage door, same is happening across. So let's see over here. I will again enter the broker IP address to access all the devices, because our broker is the IoT server. So let's turn the window and garage door. So now you can see the window has been closed and the garage door has also been closed. So this is the MQTT. So MQTT also supports three type of services, which are quality of service levels. Quality of service level 0 is the works on fire and forget principle. It is used for frequent sensor readings. For example, the temperature monitor is continuously sending the readings to a client, which is our laptop, where occasional loss is acceptable because many readings are sent, and if one is not there, then it is acceptable. And then we have the quality of service level 1, which guarantees that at least once delivery using acknowledgement. It says that at least one acknowledgement is sent, like if an MQTT publisher is sending a message to a client, and then the client gives the acknowledgement back at least once. So this is quality of service level 1, and then we have quality of service level 2, which ensures that exactly one delivery goes through a four-step handshake and used for critical commands like opening the garage door. Because let's say if we have the garage door over here, you can see it needs an the laptop also the laptop will send an acknowledgement that the door has been closed. It will check if the door is closed for security purpose. So we have the quality of service level 2. So in summary, the Cisco packet tracer uh, demonstrates a smart home which is working on a IoT network, and the public subscribe model makes the MQTT lightweight, scalable, and ideal for IoT. Thank you.